turning waste into value, efficient maintenance. The 1500F Asphalt pavement hot recycling repair machine, developed and manufactured by Shandong Mingchangda Heavy Industry, is specially designed for the heating, mixing and recycling of milled asphalt material, pothole excavation waste and cold stock materials, thereby re-revolutionizing the material usage paradigm in road maintenance. The equipment employs patented honeycomb heating technology to facilitate the recycling of reclaimed materials, thereby resolving critical industry challenges related to waste generation and high maintenance costs. Equipped with a high-efficiency heating circulation system, vertical force mixing, and intelligent temperature control, the integrated unit ensures convenient and efficient operation. Its innovative combination of indirect heating and a honeycomb design ensures uniform heating of aggregates, enhancing asphalt performance, preventing aging, and guaranteeing the quality of the recycled materials. Forced hot air circulation enhances thermal energy utilization efficiency, capable of heating and regenerating 4 to 5 tons of asphalt mixture per hour, making it suitable for curing operations of all scales. It is required with a dual-stage environmental protection system, combining water-based dust removal with cartridge filtration to effectively reduce emissions and suppress dust. The dual mode control system ensures simple and safe operation, allowing users to get started immediately without requiring specialized technical skills. This equipment is capable of independently executing the entire workflow, from feeding, heating, and mixing to discharging. When paired with an asphalt crack sealing machine, it enables effective sealing and waterproofing, inhibits pavement deterioration, and extends road service life. By delivering a comprehensive, one-stop maintenance solution that is efficient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective, it serves to safeguard the smooth flow of road traffic.